President Trump at the Detroit Economic Club. It's been a riveting speech, a lot of laughs, but a lot of serious stuff, especially about the economy. So I want to break in here because even though it's a slow day in the market, we began this session with the latest read on inflation. You just heard President Trump talk about it. CPI report better than expected. By the way, I'm not just referring to core. Core came in up 0.2 month over month. The street was looking for 0.3. But remember, all the experts said that this report was going to be hot after last month. They said, wait until the next report. Now it's earnings season also. That has begun. Now, earnings season, listen, it's expected to see continued rebound. Now, if you look at this table behind me very closely, we've had an inflection point in the second quarter, and sequentially, each quarter gets better and better. And look for this year, through the roof. If that happens, wow. Meanwhile, headlines are focused on President Trump, who did remark again this morning that Jay Powell was either incompetent or crooked. So obviously he thinks Jay Powell's not the man for the job. And I will tell you, yesterday the financial media tried to stoke the DOJ investigation into Powell into sort of a tariff tantrum with headlines like this. This is a completely misleading headline. But remember last year we saw the same sort of thing, the end of American exceptionalism. Didn't happen then, didn't happen yesterday. Now the policy, of course, didn't work, the whole fear campaign last year. And yesterday didn't work either. This is what they call the fear index. It's the VIX. Look at this, how low this number got. You could see the spike when people were truly afraid. Yesterday was relatively calm, down at 15. Now, not only did the market close at a new high yesterday, but here's the good news, folks. The rally, look at this. It's really beginning to broaden. You can see this move. 67% of names in the S&P 500 closed above their 50-day moving average. And as the rally broadens out within the S&P 500, it's also broadening out outside of it. Small caps are absolutely on fire. Now, it's early, you can see, but it's been a long time since the Russell 2000 beat the S&P 500. You got to go back to 2000 since the last time that happened. Lots of investors, though, are hopeful that this will finally happen this year, although I say it's far too soon to get cocky about this.